Hi, I'm Victor and I'm doing this experiment again. So, actually this is not an experiment. I'm just going to show you, look, this scissor. I'm going to try and drill a hole in here, but not using a driller. So look, I'm going to poke it with a scissor. Not really a hole, it's just tiny damage here. Not so much. But when I use this, it's just warm water and a sprayer. Well, I pump first. And then, after a while, yeah, I have to pump a bit more. Okay, now it's stuck. And then when I pick a hole, a place to drill it, like here, it doesn't have any holes, right? See? Not so much. Just a bit of a dent. Yes, I can use this and then just hook it in here, stick it. And then makes a bit of bubbles, but then later on, it's a hole. See, look, it's a hole here. Hole here, see? I can put it a bit more. And it makes bubbles because there's a hole being built. See, it's getting small, it's getting deeper and deeper here. Okay, and thanks for watching and bye!